Also, welcome to Garden Guitar Shaboozey with a beautiful collab here, Noah Cyrus. This song is called My Fault, a new song from the new album here. My Fault, what a wonderful song. So we have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We're gonna learn the picking pattern, which is the main part of the song. And you can also alternate this with a strumming pattern that works for this one as well. So if you get bored with all the notes picking, you can go over to strumming and go back again and work your way through there. So anyway, let's start this one without any capo. No need for any capo here. So 4 chords: A minor, F major, 7, C, and G. Let's take a look at A minor first. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the F major. All right, so that is third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. C coming up there, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And for G, we're gonna do a variation of it that works for this song. That's how the picking goes, and it works also with strumming. So what you do here from C, you just bring up your mid and ring finger 1 string, keep everything else there, same positions. That gives us third on E, second on A, open D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so let's go into the main thing here, the patterns. Starting with A minor, it goes like this for 2 rounds, okay? So you're gonna hold the chord as it is and play open A, first B, second G, and second D. And you don't do that for 2 rounds, so the rhythm goes. So you make a short pause after the first fret B string, so. Okay, 2 rounds of that, and over to the F major 7, 1 round of it, and it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play third on D string. Then you do this. You're gonna hit the open G string and then hammer on. You don't have to pick it again, you just hammer on the second G. So use your mid finger to hammer on and create that second note on the G string, the second fret G string. And then you're gonna continue with first B. That's the first half of this part. So make a short pause there, and then comes the second half that goes, and that is third on D string, first B, second G, third D, and second G. That's the second part. So 1 round of F major goes slowly. Okay, then comes the C, it goes like this for 2 rounds. Okay, so you're gonna play and hold the chord as it is. Play third A, first B, open G, second D, and open G. So 2 rounds goes. And over to G with the same pattern as the C. You just move up to this position here. You don't have to hold the second fret A string if you don't want to. You don't need it for this picking pattern. Later you need it for the strumming, but you just enough to hold the third fret E string and first B. And it goes for 2 rounds. So that is third on E string in the bass, first B, open G, open D, and back to open D, G. And that is the end of this beautiful melody. So 1 round of it goes like this. up this a little bit and you have that main part of my fault. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern that works for this song. So we can just go to the first chord, A minor, back to that again. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so that is down, then down up, and then up, down, up. Put that together will be down, down, up, down, up. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. In the same chord progression, we learned A minor, F major, C, G through the entire song, like this. You can play melody in the same way from beginning till the very end, or strumming, or go back and forth with this, and that is how you handle Shaboozey's and Noah Cyrus's My Fault. So good luck with this one, guys. Thank you for being here on this channel and supporting me. Click that like button if you liked this tutorial, and yeah, hope to see you soon. Play tuned.